So we have sort of pieced together a picture with these shards of information that tell us a really terrible story. But it wasn't super clear until Xi Jinping came to power. It's not right. It's a violation of their human rights. It's a violation of Tibetans' collective rights. And I think it doesn't have to be that the kids and the families are led in handcuffs and at gunpoint for this to be coercive, for it to be wrong, and for us to be saying they're being forced. They truly are, through policies and an entire system that's designed really with a racist intent that sort of says Tibetans need to be changed, that what we are is, and that our culture and our language is not good enough and it needs to be better and be Chinese.
Pebati Jamizo, take us to the woman, the Lanlin Chegger, the Lanlin, the Lanlum Machone, Tini, Niton, Jenny Zone, Jana Jonk, Tini, Pepe Pug Tama, Lodranol Junior, Tini, Pepe Chu, Rishon Gay, Hamak shooting some Malewa. Jamie woman in the Taja Jutonki Pepe. Jail Hoyal, Tun Between Chegger, the Onjit Geese, Tatan and that Sewan Rankan, Tapet, Jasha, Pepe Pug Samatini, Lochinal, Dawachute, Pepe Chutan, Rishon, the Pamal Katani, Jamie Rishon Random Nea, Sujite, Lalichin, Tadaba Lochutan Chia de Atam, Digging Yankate, that Lord Nish, Nish, Dan Sunju Tunduk Jes, Doing on the Tending out of Pay Merinda, Dota Mepug, and Yankanola, Longi Obate, Hamilton de Art.